today we are talking about email and phone number mapping from a customer reply. You're going to start by navigating to the trigger section, and you'll set something up like this here shown on the screen. Keep in mind you may want to define filters specifically to a particular campaign so that this doesn't fire off all the time. You can customize this however makes most sense for your business, but I'm going to show you the overall feature setup at this time. So for part one, what should trigger this rule here on the left-hand side, we're going to make sure we have customer replied for the trigger rule, and then on the right-hand side, the action that we're going to perform is to update the contact field. Now we need to define the filters for email and phone, and we're going to type out this message.body information here for both filters. Now what this is going to do is this is actually going to pull the email address and or phone number that a customer replies to you in a communication, and it will map that information directly into their contact information. So maybe you have a text message or email campaign and a customer writes back to you with a lengthy reply, but you don't want all of that information to be mapped into their email or phone field. This trigger functionality is designed to search the message body and pull just the email address or just the phone number and map it into the field appropriately. So perhaps you send a text message to a lead and say, "Hey, it's me. I want to send you a free download. What's your email address?" The person could reply, "Hey, thanks so much. My email is sally.test@gmail.com. This trigger will automatically pull sally.test@gmail.com into Sally's contact record. So it's a pretty great feature you can utilize. Again, you can further define filters here with specific reply channels, particular campaigns if you want to filter this to only apply to one or certain campaigns. Don't forget, once you've set up this trigger, you do want to save any changes you've made and then make sure to switch it from draft to activate so that the trigger will actually fire off.